Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a shortcut to your Drive on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the document that you have selected. So you should tap on the three dots icon next to its title. Then you should scroll down till you find the Add Shortcut to Drive option and click on it. Now you should select the shortcut location. You can choose from My Drive, Share with Me, or Start. Tap on the one that you prefer. And then you should select your document and then press the button Add. So now, as you can see, your shortcut has been added to the My Drive section. If you tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then if you tap on the Google Drive option, you will see all the documents that has been added to this list. But first you need to download this application. But you can also tap on this file or map icon at the top of the screen, and you can also find the same folder, the My Drive option here. So here you can see all the items that have been added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.